Thinking, what should we cook tonight?
Keep it fresh.
All veggie style though.
All veggies.
Okay. We gonna hold the meat.
We're back.
Hey y'all, and welcome back.
Hold the meat.
Yes, hold the meat. We are back with another episode. Give you a delicious meal with no meat.
No meat. No meat.
Yes.
No salmon. No beef. No pork. No lamb chops on the side. No.
I kind of do miss lamb chops.
I don't.
I do. That's why I'm finding me a substitution as we speak.
Look.
I miss lamb chops.
Oh my God.
But I'm satisfied with, my meals with no meat. Like, wholeheartedly I am.
Yeah.
I feel better.
I feel lighter. I feel like more energy.
I was just about to say more energy. If you're watching this means that you are thinking about doing it or you're doing it to get the recipe.
This is your sign. Hold the fucking meat, okay?
Just hold the meat.
Hold the meat. We got another meal.
Yes. So today we are cooking steak, mashed potatoes, and green beans.
Steak. We just
with no meat. Listen, with no meat.
Okay.
So for the steak substitution, we are going to use oyster mushrooms.
Ooh.
For the mashed potatoes, which you can still eat because it's no meat, but we are going to use cauliflower. So we're going to do cauliflower mash. We're going to have some green beans. So yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this because we got something special for y'all.
Oh my gosh. Stay tuned, y'all. Hold the meat.
So for the cauliflower mash, we got cauliflower and we have garlic. The season is in the ingredients. So I just cut these little pieces off. Sometimes I use them for certain things, but like this one, I'll use that. All right, so this is how we get our steak mushroom prepared. Put your mushroom in a bag. Put a little bit of olive oil. I put like a little secret little swoop in there. Get a little bit of garlic paste. A little bit of that. And then we just season it up. You use whatever seasonings.
Are there any like particular seasonings that you use that,
I'd say whatever seasoning that you use for your steak, use for your mushroom and stuff too. So once you get all your seasonings and everything that you need in the bag will be in the recipe description, linked in the bio. Once you put all that in there, you gotta like massage it in, right? I say let it sit in your refrigerator for about 15 to 25 minutes. Let it marinate for a little bit, or if you plan on doing it in advance, you let it marinate overnight.
Oh, overnight? Whoop. Overnight. That's when the seasonings be seasoning.
So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes and we'll
Alright, so the pan was kind of hot already. I just took it off. I'm gonna add the onions. And we sauteed them, like marinated it for a few hours. There's lion's mane, the little things and the things that we sauteed and did all that stuff again and everything. We add the onions. So we're gonna add in our lion's mane. Like six. That two. All right. So make sure it's good in the pan. Then we're gonna add our weight on there to press it down. And that's gonna like press out all the moisture, get it flat. It's gonna be good.
the steak is coming together.
Listen.
Yeah. Lion's mane mushroom roll, y'all. This is your new replacement for steak. Okay, y'all. So we got the cauliflower in the blender. Gonna add some butter. And a couple more ingredients is going to be in the bio. Click the link in the bio. 1 second.
Some grilled onions, some green beans, and some pureed cauliflower mashed potatoes.
Hey,
That
listen. Look, oh, look.
it looks like a steak.
Look, just get into that. And it's so juicy. The little sauce on it. It's so juicy. It's like you're perfect. You know when you're like, I just want that perfect steak that just
Melt in your mouth.
fire.
Look. I have to run this back.
Man, y'all gotta go get this recipe. Got to. With these mashed potato. Cauliflower. This tastes like an old school steak dinner, but better. Better. Like, where? So much better.
And then it's like, you're not going to have like the itis after this. It's not going to be sitting in your stomach for however long
Days.
to digest. Like,
This is
literally,
veggies.
it's veggies. And mushrooms.
Everything on this plate is veggies. Whole banana.
All the meat. I'm trying to tell you, like,
You gotta go get the recipe. Got to.
like, just
It's like,
you can't even. You know, like when you get that.
and then when it just cuts through so like,
And
it tastes like, we gonna hold that.
hold it.
What? I ain't even touched the green bean. I've been on the mushroom and the cauliflower.
It's the crunch you need, you know? You know, I'm not the type of person that likes my vegetables hella soggy. I need to feel the crunch. Because the more that you cook a vegetable down, you're cooking the nutrients out. So sometimes you want a little bit of crunch, you know? Like my boyfriend, he likes his shit. He likes his broccoli mushy.
With cheese on it.
No cheese.
This here? Yeah.
Wow.
Once you have this recipe, you're not gonna miss steak. Beef.
Wow.
You know.
Wow.
This cauliflower.
No, I'm trying to savor.
This milk. This is that.
This is that.
Yeah.
Hey, this is that you cook this for your man, and he's gonna be like, oh yeah. You know, there's some men that like to brag about their, significant others' food. My dad was like that with my mom. He absolutely loved my mom's cooking.
And he let the world know.
Absolutely love. Ooh.
This whole meal is so delicious.
Like,
Oh, it's so flavorful. Everything is so seasoned well, flavorful. You have to get the ingredients, get the recipe so you can have the same savory taste. So you can start holding the meat.
Hold the meat.
Because baby, let me tell you, this is better than any steak and mashed potatoes dinner I've ever had.
Ever.
This is all veggies.
That steak. Mushroom.
Tastes just like a steak.
Almost like the texture of a ribeye,
Mm-hmm.
but
Like a thin layer.
then yeah, ooh,
Mm-hmm.
you know, one of the hardest things that
It is.
I had to give up was steak.
Yeah, me too. So I was using like lamb chops as my substitution, but now,
Yeah, lines, man.
y'all right?
Look, I'm over here trying to savor my 2 little pieces. You know, when you have a good mood, like, ooh, thank you, Jesus. Ooh. Mm. Fire.
This was good.
And the green beans can be like, the way that they're cooked is almost like, you know, you go to like tapas restaurants and they have like the side of the green beans.
Yeah.
That's how you can
Hold the meat, y'all.
get the recipe link below. Make sure you comment, like it, share it, and subscribe. Okay? What?
I have you clean the plates.
What is going on? Like, that's how you know it's good.